Kamusta mga balibulista? Heto ang game recap results ng UAAP High School Boys Volleyball last October 26, 2024. Winalist ng FAU BB Tamaraws ang Adamson BB Falcons 25-15, 25-23, 25-19. Winalist din ng UST Junior Golden Spikers ang DelAZ Junior Archers 25-16, 25-15, 25-12. Pinataob naman ng NU Bullpups ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 25-14, 25-12, 25-10. Panalo naman ng UA Junior Warriors kontra sa UP Junior Fighting Marons 25-5, 25-11, 25-12. Heto naman ang game recap results last October 27, 2024. Winalist naman ng DelAZ Junior Lady Spikers ang UP Junior Fighting Marons 25-13, 25-17, 25-23. Dinaig naman ng UST Junior Golden Spikers ang Ateneo Blue Eagles 25-15, 25-13, 25-10. Pinadapa naman ng NU Lady Bullpups ang Adamson BB Falcons 25-21, 25-17, 25-21, 25-17. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Boys Volleyball as of November 1, 2024. UST Junior Golden Spikers 9 wins, 1 loss, 28 points. NU Bullpups 9 wins, 1 loss, 26 points. UE Junior Warriors 8 wins, 2 losses, 23 points. FAU BB Tamaraws 5 wins, 5 losses, 16 points. Adamson BB Falcons 5 wins, 5 losses, 15 points. DelAZ Junior Archers 3 wins, 7 losses, 9 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 1 win, 9 losses, 3 points. UP Junior Fighting Marons 0 win, 10 losses, 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Girls Volleyball as of November 1, 2024. FAU BB Lady Tamaraws 6 wins, 1 loss, 17 points. NU Lady Bullpups 6 wins, 1 loss, 17 points. UST Junior Golden Tigresses 6 wins, 2 losses, 18 points. Adamson BB Lady Falcons 5 wins, 3 losses, 17 points. DelAZ Junior Lady Spikers 3 wins, 5 losses, 9 points. UP Junior Fighting Marons 1 win, 7 losses, 3 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 0 win, 8 losses, 0 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 6, 2024 na gaganapin sa Paco Arena. Maglalaban ng FAU BB Tamaraws at UST Junior Golden Tigresses alas 9 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang NU Bullpups at DelAZ Junior Lady Spikers alas 11 ng umaga. Magtutos ang Ateneo Blue Eagles at UP Junior Fighting Marons alauna ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.